Hey everybody, David over Frequency Frontiers. All right, let's talk about something almost every new ham deals with: mic fear. Yeah, the I got my license, but I'm scared to actually talk moment. Why does it happen? Well, first of all, you're not alone. Nearly every ham freezes up the first time. Why? Because you're talking to strangers on a live radio with people listening, and it feels like speaking in public with an antenna. Second, there's the pressure of getting it right. The jargon, the etiquette, the timing, it can feel like you're entering a conversation that started 50 years ago. So, how do you fix it? Number one, start with the friendly net. Find a local net where the net control is known for being patient and welcoming. These folks want new voices, and they'll walk you through it. Script your first line. Don't wing it. Write out your first transmission. Hey, you should go something like, "This is your call. I'm a new ham. I'm just checking in and getting some mic time." Boom, done, no pressure. And thirdly, monitor first, talk second. Listen for a few minutes. You'll pick up the rhythm, the vibe, and realize everyone is just normal people with radios. And if none of those things work, sound good to you, use low stake contacts. Put out a simple call on a simplex channel or frequency. Or hunt a pod activator calling CQ. These are quick, low pressure opportunities. And just remember, most importantly, everyone was once new. That guy with the perfect signal, that lady with the perfect phonetics, that Elmer who sounds like he's been doing this since Marconi. Yep, they were all terrified one day too. So here's the truth. The first key up is the hardest. After that, it gets easier and way more fun. Ham radio isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, learning, and making connections. So, go ahead. Key that mic. We're all cheering from you from the other side. Good luck. 7-3. This is David over Ham Radio Minute. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share.